How to get Bandlab on PC. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Bandlab directly from your PC or from your laptop. Now it's just a few clicks away. So the very first thing you want to do is of course open up your preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now head straight into bandlab.com's official site, which is going to be here, and make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you don't have an account, just simply sign up or register to an account. It's totally free by using your Google, Facebook, or maybe your Apple ID. Now, for you to be able to download this, just go into the left portion of your screen, right side of BandLab. You should be able to see this icon. Click that, and then choose on Studio. Now it's gonna load for a couple of seconds, and once you're here, for you to be able to download this directly into your desktop, now at the top right, you should be able to see three options, which is gonna be the site blocker, the installation icon, and as well as the bookmark tab. Now to install it, just simply click or choose on the center portion of these options here that says install BandLab, and then a small box will pop out and then choose on install. Now, once you've done that, it will automatically be added into your desktop. That's it. That's how you get BandLab on PC.